Let's give it up one more time for the king of Randomantic and the multimedia prince, James Reid.
Kaogma! Let's go! Yeah. Man, am I crazy? Or could she be the one? Yeah. Don't wanna race and skip through all the fun. I don't ask for much, I just want the rush. If I run out of love, baby, I don't give a damn. I love the chase. Sa'yo lang ito't naramdaman. Hey, hey, get out of my way. Tadhana may di magkaganda. What's next you never know. You keep me on my toes, so I'll sweep you off your feet and catch you where you fall. Di na maiwasan na madalat ng damdamin. Ginawa mo sa'kin. It must be the way you walk. Got me acting like a dog, and I don't want this game to win. Cause you are what? Ang tingin mo sa'kin, kahit di mabasa akin. I don't ask for much, I just want the rush. If I run out of love, baby, I don't give a damn. I love the chase. Sa'yo lang ito't naramdaman. Get out of my way. Tadhana may di magkaganda. What's next you'll never know. You keep me on my toes, so I'll sweep you off your feet and catch you where you fall. Di na maiwasan na madalat ng damdamin. She's a high-speed chase, and I got no brakes. Life's the long way home, and I'm all the way. She's a high-speed chase, and I got no brakes. Life's the long way home, and I love the chase. Sa'yo lang ito naramdaman. Get out of my way. Tadhana may di makakadlaw. Oh, I love the chase. Sa'yo lang ito't naramdaman. Naramdaman, yeah. Tadhana may di makaganda. Oh, what's next you'll never know. You keep me on my toes, so I'll sweep you off your feet and catch you when you fall. Di na maiwasan ng damdamin. Ginawa mo sa'kin. Hey, hey, get out of my way. I love the chase. Get. Sa'yo lang ito't naramdaman. Kaogma, make some noise! Woo! Well, I was here last year, Kaogma 2024, and I had so much fun. I missed this. Na-miss niyo ba ako? Okay, tonight I just want everyone to have fun. I'm so happy to be here. So let's sing, let's dance, and don't worry about anything else. Tonight it's just you and I. You and I. CamSur, make some noise! Woo! We don't need these faces in the crowd. people talking loud. I want your satisfaction, but there's too many distractions. Don't need all these flashing lights. I see it in your eyes. Oh, we're only wasting time. I can see that you want me. I need you. Your body's calling to come please you. I take you to heaven, high above the smoke. Nobody has to know. I need you alone. It's just for you and I. This moment's made for two, but that's just you and I. What you're trying to do is speak for. I feel it in my bones. For you and I alone. It's for you and I. We feel your sacred energy. It's calling out for me. I'm all about this feeling. There's no hiding or concealing. What we got's for private eyes. Only yours and mine. Only wasting time. I can see that you want me. I need you. Your body's calling to come please you. Take you to heaven, high above the smoke. Nobody has to know. I need you alone. It's just for this moment's made for two. If that's just what you're trying to do is made for. I feel it in my bones. You and I alone. You and I. Let's go, CamSur. Yeah, hey, get your hands up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yo, boogie on out the party. Let's keep it on the hush. I got you, baby, if you got me. Yeah. I feel it in my bones. For you and I alone. It's for you and I, you and I. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, oh, no. It's for you and I, you and I. Thank you so much, CamSur. Okay, I have a question. Sino dito ang in love? Put your hands up. Me too, I'm very, very in love right now. Sino dito ang romantic? Yeah? This next song is for you guys. Okay, I want everyone to sing along with me. You ready? CamSur, are you ready? Let's do this. One. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Paano kung bigla't nalaba? I wrap my arms on your hands, baby. Kahit di gano'n kamagis, I'll kiss you right on the lips. Oh, baby, yeah. Write little love notes on a post-it, and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch, with them roses on your front yard. Do. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ang daming padaan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe! Kahit balat lang, kaya big love, may breakfast diba? Just to keep you interested. Lahat ay tayo palatang. Oh, I just wanna do separate dumb things to say. Say what? I love you. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Let's go. Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Oh, yeah. Kahit di gano'ng kawangis, ika-igugukit ko. Oh, I'd probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like, and baby, I'll give you the last bite. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ang dami paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, maharap. Okay, I'll be on the spot today, and this time I won't be late. Lahat ay tayo panalo. Oh, I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. Hey, CamSur, get your hands up. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, I just wanna do simple random things to say. Say what? I love you too. Wow, thank you so much. I love you guys. Can I get a mic stand? This next song is from my EP, Just Got Home. And this song is very special to me. You know, in life we have ups, we have downs, we have good times, tough times. But what's important is, kahit mahirap yung pinagdadaanan mo, may masasandalan ka. So this song is for everyone who needs a shoulder to cry on. It's called Sandal. Let's go. Sa pag-uwi, ramdam ko ang bigat kahit hindi pa ipipigkas ng iyong mga labi. Yeah. Iwan natin ang mundo, di ka bibitawan sa gitna ng gulo. Kapag ika'y tinatikuran, sa'kin ka tumakbo. Huwag na walang ginatang gana, gawin mo ko. Pahinga mo, sandal ka lang sa'kin. Sa tibok ng damdamin, sayaw natin natin. Sandal ka lang sa'kin. Pag umiiyak ka, di mo alam kung bakit. Sandal ka lang sa'kin. Iwan natin ang mundo kasama ang bigat nito. Kung ano pa man, sandal ka lang sa'kin. Sandal ka lang sa'kin. Yeah. Nilipas din ng mga ulap, kapit na at di ka na mababahala. Tahan na, ngiti mo lang nakasindi sa madilim na gabi. Hindi ko na kakayanin mawala sa aking gabi. Di ka pipitawan sa gitna ng gulo. Pag ika'y tinatikura sa akin ka tumakbo. Pag nawala ka na ng gana, gawin mo akong pahinga mo. Sandal ka lang sa'kin sa tibok na damdamin. Sayaw natin natin. Sandal ka lang sa'kin. Pag umiiyak ka, di mo alam kung bakit. Sandal ka lang sa'kin. Iwan natin ang mundo kasama ang bigat na to. At kung ano pa man, sandal ka lang sa'kin, yeah. Sandal ka lang sa'kin, yeah. Sandal, yeah, oh, oh. Sandal, sandal, yeah, oh, oh. Sandal, sandal ka lang sa'kin. Sandal, sandal ka lang sa'kin. Sandal, sandal ka lang sa'kin, baby. Sandal ka lang sa'kin. CamSur, how we feeling? Buhay pa? Gusto nyo ba? Okay, this next song hasn't been released yet. It's my first time performing it live. I actually wrote it about this girl right here. She gives me that kind of love that makes me feel like I'm the richest man alive. I wake up to your face in the morning. My day's already made. Girl, your kisses give me riches and fortune. I haven't even had breakfast yet. Sunlight peeking through the window pane. Coffee brewing till we start again. I'm after this peace I can't explain. It's the little things that stop the time. Baby, you don't even have to try. It's as simple as a Sunday drive. I gotta be the richest man alive. Yeah. No plans, no rules, no pressure, no shoes. I got nothing but you, and it's all that I consume. You're the air in my lungs, and it's more than enough. I could get stupid drunk off this feeling alone. All love, all love, all love, all love, all love, all love. It's the little things that stop the time. Baby, you don't even have to try. It's as simple as a Sunday drive. I gotta be the richest man alive. Yeah. Ooh. I gotta be the richest man alive. Ooh, yeah. Oh, more. Hey. Says you're my silver lining. I gotta be the richest man alive. I got a heart full of gold and an angel at home. Yeah, I gotta be the richest man alive. Oh yeah. gotta be the richest man alive. Oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah. It's a little things that stop the time. Baby, you don't even have to try. It's as simple as a Sunday drive. I gotta be the richest man alive. Thank you so much. And thank you. Okay, guys, I have a favor. Can I see your flashlights? Put your lights up for me right now. This next song, I need you to sing with me. I only have one goal tonight, to have fun with you guys and make sure everyone leaves here with a smile. So show me those lights. Flashlights up. Let's do this. Keep them up. Oh. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. No, it's funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I had to fetch you every day. We'll get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, wonder love can make the world go round and round and round and round. Don't let it get you down. Put your face into it round. Get along with a little song and a bell. Oh, oh. Everybody sing with me. Let me hear you say, louder. Come on. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, so wonder love can make the world go round. Don't let it break you down. Turn your face into a frown. We'll get along with a little prayer and a song. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. Now it's time to kiss away those tears goodbye. Ooh, ooh. Say, do-do-do-do. Come on. Let me hear you say, let's go. CamSur, sing with me one time. One more time, louder. Hey, let me hear you say, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm down to my last song, but I just want to say thank you because I feel so blessed to be able to perform my songs for you guys here in the hottest music festival in the Philippines, Kaogma 2025. I just want to say a big thank you to my brother Gov Luigi Villafuerte and Gov Elray Villafuerte for having me. Thank you so much. I feel so blessed. This next song is also unreleased. I hope you enjoy it. It's called Blessed. Thank you, CamSur. Thank you, guys. I love you. Kung panaginip lang ito, magpayagan nagisingin ako. Paano ba nakuha puso mo? Ika'y bituin at nasa lupa ko. Imposible lang noon, bigla lang naging totoo. Ikaw pa rin ang tungan ko. Ano ba nagawa ko noon? Santo at dating buhay ko. Yeah, yeah, I feel blessed. I've been chosen to know your love and I'm my best. Don't you notice when you're around someone long bilyon tao sa ating mundo? Yeah. Nag-iisa ang isang tulad mo. Hey! I feel blessed, I've been chosen to know your love and I'm my best. Don't notice when you're around someone long bilyon tao sa ating mundo. Nag-iisa ang isang tulad mo. Ooh, tinangad ng alon ng nakaraan. Nung ikaw ay dumating sa aking buhay, puno ko ay sinagip. You are the reason that I'm breathing. And if I had to bleed, better be for a love like this. Imposible lang noon, bigla lang naging totoo. Ikaw pa rin ang tungan ko. Ano ba nagawa ko no? Santo at dating buhay ko. Hey, I feel blessed, I feel chosen. Hey, and I'm my best. Don't you know this? Hey, walong milyon taon sa ating mundo. Nag-iisa ang isang tulad ko. Hey, hey, I feel blessed. Woo! Let's go, CamSur! Don't you know this? Walong milyon taon sa ating mundo. Nag-iisa ang isang tulad mo. I feel blessed, I've been chosen to know your love and I'm my best. Won't you notice when you're around someone long bilyon tao sa ating mundo? Nag-iisa ang isang tulad mo. Ooh, oh, ooh. Thank you so much, CamSur! Thank you so much, CamSur. I love you.